Hi, it's Paul Kelly here from the Enable Ahead Nerd team, and today I'm going to show you how to create an API-only user in N-Central. In your N-Central server, we're going to come down to Administration, User Management, and Users. We're going to create a user using the Create User button in here. Now, typically I will do this at the service organization level, although you can do it at the system, customer, site level, just depending on what access you want to give that API-only user. So I'm going to put in API user as the first and last name, a login name in the form of an email address, although we're not going to be using this, a description, and a password that meets the password complexities of your server. We then need to assign permissions to that API user. So depending on how granular you want to restrict your API user, you can be more restrictive with the permissions. In my case, I'm just going to use the default administrator role. I also need to assign access groups, and again, in my case, I'm just going to use the default service organization so that I have access to all the customers at this level. Under the user details tab, we're going to click on user information. It's very important here that we set it that MFA is not required. And finally, under our API access, we're going to click on the API only user. We're going to go ahead and click on save in here. Once you have configured and saved your account, you need to click back into the account again. Click on your API access tab, and in here you're going to click on generate JSON web token. Now you need to store this token securely, store it in your password documentation program, as you're going to only see this token once. As soon as I click on this token here, we're not going to see it again. And if you have this hard coded into scripts, for example, and it expires, you'll need to regenerate it, or if you forgot what the code is and you've replaced it, then you'll need to regenerate it and paste it back in as well. It's very important that you keep a note of that. So that's how you create an API only user, guys. Hope you found this video informative, and we'll see you on the next one.